The U.S. Air Force got to see MightyFly's autonomous cargo aircraft in action 2 years after investing $1.25 million in the project. The company swung by New Jerusalem Airport in May to show off Cento, a self-flying, fixed-wing, hybrid eVTOL drone that can carry up to 500 pounds of cargo over a range of 600 miles at speeds topping out around 150 miles per hour. MightyFly demonstrated Cento's autonomous load mastering system, which is designed for operations including cargo loading and unloading, as well as package handling and balance management while in the air. The drone carried 2 large boxes from point A to point B before landing and ejecting the packages without any help from humans. The Cento also demonstrated its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities as part of a fairly complete autonomous logistics platform that could be used across healthcare, retail, manufacturing, disaster relief, and defense verticals. In 2024, MightyFly debuted the 3rd generation of its aircraft with added features including upgraded operational efficiency and improved systems for autonomously finding and maintaining center of gravity in its larger cargo bay. Shortly after the unveiling event, the 3rd generation Cento made its public debut in Michigan, demonstrating point-to-point deliveries for the company's partners. Key to the company's progress with Cento is the FAA granting flight corridor approval in the US, which allows the company to conduct autonomous A to B flights within the general aviation airspace, while testing long-range communication and potential detection and avoidance systems for enhanced safety.